Here we have a 2004-2008 F150, and we're just changing this mesh, and the speaker is right behind it. In our benefit, most of these plastic clips are taken off. As you can see here, these are all intact, and these just all kind of clip right in. So at the top here, you just put a flat screwdriver and pry it off. So that's what we'll be doing. This is the passenger side. This is what we'll be putting on. So what we'll be doing is flat screwdriver. We'll go right in here. Now with some plastic screwdrivers or anything to prevent scratches, be best. And then you just pry it off one clip at a time. And there you are. As you can see, some of these clips are broken off. And we'll be putting on the other one. So there's 10 little clips. So you just line them all up. Start with the bottom. Now's a good time to change out your speaker if you want to. You just line up all these little clips. So line up this big one over here.